replacing shame with self-compassion. Anything is achievable when you dedicate enough energy and remain consistent. Never doubt your abilities when you've already achieved a feat of amazing accomplishments that are testaments to your will and dedication. There are things that you might have taken for granted, such as riding a bike, learning to read, or driving a car. These things take tremendous amounts of commitment and devotion to perfect. You are living proof that what you set your mind to, you can achieve. Look at your journey with guilt with the same mentality. You have an enormous amount of potential and all of the right attributes to overcome this because you're human. If you are mindful and practice these steps continuously enough, you can let go of the guilt and the emotion that has been holding you back. Take your energy and use it now to overcome the self-criticisms that guilt provokes. Shame and negative self-talk are two examples of this, and they are incredibly unproductive. They are fuel to depression and anxiety, which acts as a catalyst to the pessimism that stems from what you say about yourself. Do not allow yourself to become a victim of shame. You are an incredibly powerful, strong person, like anybody else. Shame is a feeling of inferiority and involves the perception of oneself as a failure, feeling unacceptable to others. You are worthy and you are certainly good enough, so don't disregard the fact that you are only human and it's acceptable to make mistakes. Self-blame will only create low self-esteem. You've probably heard the saying, if you haven't got anything kind to say, then don't say anything at all. It is just as important to apply this concept to yourself. For whatever reason you feel guilty, no matter how justified you feel it is, beating yourself up will only worsen the situation. From now on, whenever you criticize or shame yourself, I want you to invert that statement out loud or in your mind, telling yourself that you are worthy of living life that fulfills your every need. For example, if you think, I don't deserve to have this for what I've done, rephrase it to, I am human and people make mistakes. I have every right to accept this gift, continue to grow, and make positive changes in my life. Be consistent with this, because practice makes perfect. Reminding yourself of your worth will boost your confidence and will make it easier for you to consider situations more rationally and objectively, helping you to avoid being swayed by emotional distress.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember that we have much more available on Spotify, YouTube, and don't forget to visit our website at www.innerpreservation.com.